Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome web browser current stable version on RHEL 10.1, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome, then select RPM package for RHEL, Fedora, Alma Linux type operating systems. Then select this, accept and install. Wait a moment, download started and its size is about 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and see here it is .rpm package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current version of the RPM package. Install it, sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. It's just warning we have installed. Okay, so go to show applications. See here you have the Google Chrome, click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to send automatically usage statistics and traps reports to Google, you have to select these two checkboxes. It is up to you. Then click on OK. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. I don't want to sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Unless this file is not recorded anymore, so remove it to clear the space. At least we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable version on RHEL 10.1. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.